Hi, my name is Donna Carson, and I'm a bankruptcy trustee and proposal administrator with MNP. One of the common questions I'm asked is, how will my RSP be affected if I'm filing for bankruptcy? In the case of a bankruptcy, some assets are liquidated and the funds are distributed to creditors. There are, however, some exceptions to this rule. The following answer is written for Alberta. Not every province has the same provincial exemption. There are two ways that an asset can be exempt from a bankruptcy proceeding: under federal legislation, which is the Bankruptcy and Insolvency Act, and under provincial legislation, which in Alberta is the Civil Enforcement Act. As of July 7, 2008, the Bankruptcy and Insolvency Act says that RSPs are exempt from a bankruptcy except for those that you've contributed within the 12 months before the date that you file your bankruptcy. However, as of October 1, 2009, in Alberta, all RSPs are totally exempt from a bankruptcy. One issue, however, that the trustee may have to review would be if larger amounts of money were put into the RSP from other sources in the year or so prior to your bankruptcy. So for example, if a person took money from an asset that is non-exempt but protected it inside an RSP in the week or month or so before bankruptcy, it may be something that the trustee or the courts would have to review. Another issue that may be reviewed is if an exempt RSP was purchased with a loan, and that loan is now being written off in your bankruptcy. RSPs cannot be held as security for a loan like a car could. So if it was purchased on credit, the credit is written off in the bankruptcy, but you get to keep the asset. However, the trustee may have to review how much is the RSP that's being claimed exempt, how much was the original loan that was borrowed and how long ago was it borrowed, how much is the current balance owing on the loan. Because RSPs are now exempt in Alberta, one option that a person may choose to consider is using the RSP to fund a proposal. A proposal is an option where a person can offer their creditors a settlement or so many cents on the dollar. And this could be funded from an exempt RSP that the creditors would not otherwise be able to touch in a bankruptcy.